Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 on a brand new 2019 Ford Mustang 5 litre. What we're going to do now is we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you how the Autowatch Ghost works. Right, how this system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, you turn the main ignition on, insert a push sequence. On here we use something very, very basic, so we've used the cruise control, so 4 times up, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the indicators, put your foot in the clutch and start the vehicle. Very simple, very straightforward. How it protects the vehicle is if someone clones your keys or does a relay attack, jumps in, puts his foot in the clutch once he's cloned it, tries to start the vehicle doesn't start. There you go, vehicle won't start. Okay, also it has the facility that if someone's seen the code or the push sequence and you want to change it, this is also straightforward. So how you do this is turn on the ignition, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, indicator start to flash, foot right down on the accelerator, insert the push sequence again, 1, 2, 3, 4. As the indicator starts to flash, let go of the accelerator. You're now in learn mode. So there are several buttons on this vehicle you can use. We're just going to use something straightforward. So this time we're going to change it to here. So every time I push this button, the indicators are going to flash to tell me this button is working and we can use it. Once I've selected the push sequence, which can be anything from 4 up to 21 pushes, it will give me 3 flashes and then wait for me to repeat the code again. So I'm going to do it now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, pause, 3 flashes. Then repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 flashes. It's now just learnt the code. So if I now turn off the ignition, turn it back on and try the old code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously incorrect. So ignition off, ignition back on, insert your new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, start your vehicle. It's really, really straightforward. What a lovely car, really nice noise. Also, you can put it into valet mode, so if you're taking it for a service or a car wash and you don't want to disclose the code, the way you do that's very simple. So ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. Now on this one here, if you just push and release the handbrake 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the Ghost will come back with 5 flashes to say it's now in valet mode. So obviously if I start it and turn the ignition off and leave it for 3 seconds and go back to start it, it will start again. There you go. Really straightforward. When you get the vehicle back, all you have to do to take it out of valet mode, ignition on, do your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, start your vehicle. Yep, there you go. If I now just turn the ignition off, we know it now is back in ghost mode, so if I try and start it, it won't start, you see, won't start. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.